Hi guys, this is quarantine period sponsored by social distancing. Obviously, you wouldn't be liking it. But anyway, I am Poonam and you are listening to my podcast on the topic social distancing during corona crisis and in future. So, I was in my deep thinking mode and I find out that coronavirus is iodix to the earth and zalim lotion to the people. It is funny but the hard truth. This is the result of what harm we have done to earth and earth giving it back to us. But there are good people also like me who have not been doing any harm to the earth. So why not I be given some relaxation on that? On a serious note, in India, people are less jobless than being senseless and stupid. The whole world is dying with the COVID-19, but some stupid people of India are like, हम तो बाहर जाएंगे, हम नहीं जाएंगे तो कोरोना कैसे फैलेगा? In India, we also have some very intelligent ministers out there, like Ramdas Athwale, who chants "Go Corona Go" as if it will send the virus back from India.
Corona go! Corona go! Corona go! Corona go!
So, because of Corona, we all have to follow social distancing. It has been very bad to our neighbors. This time, they have to buy their own ration and cook their own food. Due to social distancing and lockdown, gyms are also shut down. So, most of the stars and actors are putting story of their home workout and people are getting influenced. Many of my friends have been influenced by that and also putting stories on social media. So, I also took a very hard decision to stop using social media. I heard a news that the police is punishing the lockdown violators and those who are not following social distancing. And I am a journalist student and I can't completely believe what I listen or what social media or news channel show. So to confirm that police is really beating the violators, I step out of my house for a little walk and you wouldn't believe, but I can't sit because of swelling and I am recording this podcast standing. What I want is, even if this COVID-19 ends, but some people should maintain social distancing even after that. I don't know, maybe their negative vibe can make me COVID-19 positive. Have you ever thought that how amazing will it look when we will tell our grandchildren or future generation about the coronavirus? Like we were near the end of world. A nasty virus started spreading around the world where we cannot meet each other. We had to follow social distancing to prevent the spread. Those who had not followed the social distancing were infected to the virus, commonly known as coronavirus. And of course, this was or is one of the deadliest pandemics in human history. And how funny is it, like first time in history we can save the human race by avoiding meeting each other and sitting in front of the TV. All those who say they miss their social life, they are missing hanging out with their friends. Oh please don't screw it up because this was the time everyone was demanding for when everything was normal. Should I tell you a secret about me? I used to practice social distancing before it went cool. So for me, I don't give a damn about how long is this lockdown gonna remain. I love social distancing because that is the best moments of your life, spending time with yourself. Okay, sorry, but I was again in a deep thinking mode and I find out that social distancing also have a Hindi name and that is Tandoori. Tan matlab body and Duri means distance. All those who are craving for their social lives But do you even know social distancing has their own benefits? You don't have to wear jeans or look good all the times. And also, most importantly, you don't have to see those faces that you don't like. You can wear pajamas all day and be ugly. Oh, that's for me, you might be the good one. Everyone says to follow social distancing. While look at my house, 6 people lie in a house that is 5 meter wide and 3 meter deep. This is how we do social distancing. COVID-19 may have led all the jobs to work from home and the students to the online classes because to maintain social distancing and to prevent the spread of corona. All the working members are enjoying their rest at home. But what about housewives? They are still working and making food according to your demands. Social distancing has made all of us to stay at home and away from social life. It might be somewhere disturbing for us, but to the grandparents and our pet who never used to have a quality time with all of our family members, and due to this, we are spending and making memories that will never be diminished. We all might be missing our social life, but we will also miss our quarantine life when all this will end. In a country like India, we hug each other and eat together to show the affinity. But now we all have to also remember our hello with folded hands. This is the end of my podcast. Thank you for listening. I'm sending you socially distanced hug.